Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So to get the private as well as the government job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications from the different central as well as the state universities, guys. No application fee, no examination. The selection will be directly based upon the interview. And it is assistant professor pay level, that is the level 10. So the salary might be in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So please share this video who belongs to those subjects. It will be very much helpful to them. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different central and state government universities recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So in this one, we are going to see the total 4 different government universities recruitment notification. So out of the 4, the first one is University of North Bengal, Darjeeling. So applications are invited from the prescribed format within the 15th December 2021 from a bona fide Indian citizens for filling up of the vacancies to the under mentioned the teaching substantive positions. So assistant professor law 3 vacancies and physics 1 and zoology 2, history 2, sociology 1 and DLLE 1. So total 10 number of vacancies are there. The detailed information, specialization and the qualification, each and everything is mentioned in the official website itself. Okay, so the filled in application form has to be reached to the mentioned address with the requisite fees on or before 15th December 2021. Okay, so if you want to apply, click on this apply now and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Coming to the minimum qualifications, assistant professor pay level. So the pay scale is mentioned here. In arts, humanities, sciences, social science, commerce, education, language, law, journalism and mass communication, the master's degree with 55% of marks. Along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the points, eligibility conditions they mentioned, and few more general instructions are also there. The application fee is 600 rupees and 300 rupees for the SC, ST, OBC, AB and the PH candidates, and the persons who are working in the government or semi-government or the autonomous bodies, those candidates has to bring up the no objection certificate, guys. Okay, and here as per the caste category, the number of vacancies are divided: law, physics, zoology, history, sociology, DLLE. So total 10 number of vacancies are there. Okay, and while coming to the second university is the University of Delhi, the Delhi School of Journalism. So in this one, the data journalism as well as the science journalism, 2 vacancies are there. And these are all the assistant professor vacancies, and the application formats are invited through the Google form for appointment of assistant professor guests from the eligible candidates. And here the eligibility: master's degree with 55% of marks, and along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And here the links are also provided. So all the candidates are required to carry their latest CV along with the self-attested copies of the certificates. TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. The registration link for the guest faculty under academic category as well as under professional category. So the Google Forms links are also provided here, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And coming to the next university is the University of Kerala. So online applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the selection of lecturer on the contract basis at the University Institute of Management. Candidates who fulfill the following criteria are eligible for the applying the post. Qualifications: MBA with minimum 55% of marks and NET qualifications are required, and age should not be more than 45 years. Remuneration: 27,000 rupees per month will get, and application fee is 500 rupees through online payment you can do. The last date for submitting the application form is 30th December 2021 evening 5 o'clock. And the mode of submitting of application form is, it is the link, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And the candidate should produce all the certificates, documents in original along with the self-attested copies at the time of interview. Okay, so if you're having any queries, here the mail ID as well as the contact number is also provided. And coming to the next university is Bangalore University. So this recruitment notification came on 30th November 2021, and here the full-time or part-time guest faculties to teach the Kannada, English, political science, Economics and Mass Communication and Journalism in 4-year BA Honors UG, and to teach the Chemistry, Physics, Mathematics and Computer Science in 4 years BSc Honors newly started courses under the NEP 2020 for the academic year 2021 to 22. Whoever the interested candidates having the master's degree in the respective subjects as per the UG's rules are requested to submit the applications. So here the UG's net qualification or the PhD qualification they did not mention. Here they are asking only for the candidates who are having the master's degree. Okay. So submit the application in the prescribed form by downloading from the university website itself along the relevant copies of the documents. To the address is also mentioned here on or before 8th December 2021. The date of interview online or offline will be intimated to the eligible candidates. For more details, candidates may contact the concerned course coordinator. Okay. So here the application form is also mentioned. You may check down, guys. And I will provide all those 4 universities PDF links in the description box of this videos. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UG NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UG NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UG NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UG NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UG NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And